Hi everybody, I want to show you a brand new HDMI cable from KeyDigital. And you might be saying, hey, I've been using KeyDigital cables for quite some time now. They, without a doubt, are the most installer-friendly HDMI cable, the most rock-solid HDMI cable. None of that marketing fluff, just the best cable out there for my custom installation. And now KeyDigital has broken ground and has a patented pending technology that delivers to you an external 3.5 millimeter connection on either side of this HDMI cable. Now right off the bat, you will notice that they have bright yellow tags on the heads. You'll want to make, very important here, you'll want to make sure that you install it. They are directionally. You want to make sure that you install it the appropriate way. With one bright yellow tag saying source, the other bright yellow tag says display, which of course goes to your monitor side or your destination, if you will. And there's actually two reasons for that. Well, first of all, with this 3.5 millimeter port here that is on either side, both sides of this cable, you use it to consolidate IR and RS-232 onto that, into that HDMI head. It goes in the head, through the wiring, and we're actually not using or creating any different pinout of an HDMI spec head and not any additional wiring of an HDMI spec cable. So how are we doing it? Well, actually, that's the patented information. Can't quite tell you about all of that yet, okay? But I will tell you that with the one directionality, I suppose we would call it, if you use it with the KD HD 8x8 Digital IQ series, we consolidate control. We add 8 control ports to the control system where you just feed us a single IR or RS-232 input. It's going to come out on the HDMI head. It is embedded on that source side HDMI connector, and the display side, you just get to connect your IR emitter or RS-232 DB9 to control your monitor there. It's very, very fantastic. But wait, you could also use it as point-to-point. You do not need a matrix switcher. You don't need a matrix switcher in order to do this. You can also just go point to point, embed the IR on the source side, it comes out on the other side on the display end. Folks have really been very, very excited about this for one more reason as well, which is if you are a custom installer, chances are you've run into a CEC problem here or there, okay? CEC was, it's a nice technology, but it's really not, it has no place in the custom install world. All you got to do is connect into one of these 3.5 millimeter heads on either end. It doesn't need to go anywhere. Just cut that cable, okay? And you're going to be in really good shape there because we're going to prevent CEC from passing through from the source head all the way to the display head, and it just shorts it and routes it right out off of that 3.5 there. So very, very innovative cable. We make it in a 6-foot length. The model number is KD Hi-Fi Pro 6. But then from there we jump up to 30, 40, 50, 60, and 75-foot lengths. KD Hi-Fi 30 Pro, KD Hi-Fi 40 Pro, okay? And so on and so forth. So just the length there is the number that's in the model number. So please reach out to your KeyDigital representative or local distributor and get this in your hands and solve your CEC problems and consolidate everything onto one wire there. Even for your longest runs up to 75 feet, we're going to take care of it with KeyDigital's unique chipset that equalizes that video signal, going way beyond the common threshold of performance for HDMI. A lot of people consider there to be a cliff around 30 feet. We'll go all the way up to 75 feet here, and I think that you'll be very, very successful with it. Thanks so much.